Welcome back to the Winter Warmer series. Today I'm making my rhubarb, strawberry and pepper compote with olive oil crumble. Let's go! Now rhubarb is such a great versatile vegetable and we're going to be having it for this beautiful dessert. It pairs so well with strawberries and vanilla. So I'm going to just be making a real basic compote and then I'm going to make my own olive oil crumble, which I can't wait to show you. It is so delicious and really simple. Chop 3 stalks of rhubarb and put it into a baking tray. Now I'm using some beautiful fresh strawberries that I'm taking the tops off and halving. Now I'm going to get a vanilla bean and using a small knife scrape out the seeds and just put on top of some berries, place into an oven on 180 degrees for about 15 minutes. Alright, so now I'm going to make the olive oil crumble. So obviously you're going to need olive oil. The reason why I'm using olive oil, it's just got a bit more of a fresher, grassier flavour. And if you don't want to do olive oil, you can use coconut oil, you could use butter, of course, which is standard, but this is just a little bit more fancy. Now I'm going to go with some brown sugar, some cinnamon, and a pinch of sea salt flakes. I'm going to give this a little bit of a mix. I'm looking for like a coarse, clumpy texture, just like this. Now I've got some fresh pistachios that I'm going to roughly chop. This adds a really good amount of texture to the crumble. I'm going to add it and give it a bit of another mix. And now I'm just going to put this on a pre-lined tray and put it in the oven for another 5 to 10 minutes until it's nice and golden brown. The reason why I love cooking my crumbles separately is that it just is guaranteed to be golden and crunchy throughout. Nobody likes a soggy bottom. Now you're probably wondering why I didn't add any sugar, and that's because the strawberries are so sweet, and because of the crumble, they will also add some sweetness. But for something just a little bit quirky, a little bit weird, but delicious, I'm adding some cracked pepper. You could like add apple to fill it out a bit more, but I prefer ice cream. Hey, come and try. What do you reckon?